Hey guys, wanna know how to change your green screen background in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, open up your Wondersearch Filmora. And once you're there, simply import any green screen video that you have. Simply drag and drop it to the timeline. And once that is done, you can preview your green screen effect right here. Now, to remove green screen, just simply double click on it, go to AI tools, and then enable Chroma Key. Now you can select color by either clicking on this eyedropper tool or just simply selecting the color. Now you can simply play for the preview to take place. And as you can see, the green screen effect is taking place. So if you want to change the background of this green screen, you can follow simply two of these steps. You can either go to stock media or effects. For easiness, I'll go to stock media this time. So I'll just import this cool background right here and make sure this background is below your green screen. So this removed green screen should be above your background. And as you can see, the background has been added, and you can also see the change in the green screen just like this, and there you have it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.